Hi guys, the first thing I want to start is a syllabus for MHRD program because a lot of people are asking me, sir, syllabus kya hai? What is the finite syllabus for the MHRD program? So there is no link to CAT and the CET exam. Of course, you can, there is, like the other program, you can, where you have to apply via JB, for JB via CAT score, CET score. Here you don't need to apply via any score. Here they're going to take a direct test. So 10 things are required, which are all part of the syllabus directly or indirectly. I want to go through all these 10 things today. So number one is maths. 20 questions are going to be based on maths. General awareness and the business awareness, 20 questions based on GK. Now maths is 20 questions, but they normally ask questions based on logic as well within maths. So those who are preparing for CAT CET or have taken CAT CET, ये आपका हो जाएगा. GK आपको पढ़ना होगा, but if you have given CMAT exam or TEST exam, you already prepared for GK. So these two sections are fairly everybody is prepared for mota mota. Of course, you need to brush up your skills, brush up your talent, but mota mota we know all these things. Next is the human behavior, group dynamics, and individual behavior. These three topics is 60 marks. Imagine maths, logic, everything is 40 marks. 60 marks is totally new. So this is something where you need to focus on. Yeah, there won't be any question of theory. Most probably, there won't be any question of theory. There will be more case studies. It'll be more a case study based approach like ZAT exam. Okay, so going through ZAT questions makes sense. ZAT ka case studies make sense. Fine. So these 5 things are the part of a 100 marks written test, where 20 questions are based on numeric ability, GK, human behavior, group dynamics, individual behavior. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका first part. Now we move to the second part. I'll just change the color of the pen to tell you the second part. Second part is SOP writing and pledge. This is your homework this week. इस हफ्ते आपको SOP write करना है. cetking.com/SOP. cetking.com/SOP. I've given the complete details about that. cetking.com/SOP. तो आपको, you have to go through those article, sample question, and write your own articles. And in your login ID, there are 6 sessions, 6 workshops on SOP writing. Yeah. And SOP writing, you have to do that. Okay. What is the time for the test? Total 100 question, 100 minutes. Yeah. It's 100 question, 100 minutes test. Then group activity, interview skills, HR, why MBA. This is a topic I want to focus today. Why and all about JBIMS and MHRD program. Fine. So that's our complete syllabus from the exam point of view. So your main focus should be on these 5 things. And then second focus is on these things. Second phase. So phase 1 and phase 2. This is very similar to the test. Timing is very similar to test, Nitika, but the problem is test में ये सब नहीं आता है. Here 60% of the paper is based on HR. In fact, test should learn from this. Test should include the HR program as well. Yeah, but यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है. यहाँ पे is purely test में maths, verbal, logic है. यहाँ पे बाकी सब कुछ भी है. That's a major difference. All right. And why you need to apply for the HR program? 7 lakh का fees, 15 lakh का package. Yeah, the ROI wise, this is the number 1 thing to do. And that's a major reason why people should go for MHRD program. Okay.